A very warm welcome to Tech Mining. In this video I'm gonna show you how to add products to add shopping cart using drag and drop. Here's how it works. The page has two regions. The left region contains a catalog of dragable products, while the right region is a shopping cart. We will drag products from the catalog and will drop them into this cart. You can drag and drop a product multiple times. As you do this, the quantity column value increases accordingly. For instance, I already have one jacket in my cart. If I drag and drop it again in the cart, the value in the quantity column will increase and the amount increases as well. If you want to remove any product from the cart, just click the delete icon appearing next to it. Clicking the clear cart empties the whole cart. Now that you have seen the functionality, let's move on to create this page. For this module, you have to create a blank page. Note that I'm creating page 50 and will reference this page in my code. If you give some other number to this page, then modify the code used for this module accordingly. You can download the code from the link provided in the description. Add a SQL Dynamic Content region to the page to display a catalog of products from a table named Demo Products Info. The link provided in the description contains this code as well. The products catalog should look like this. To give it a nice look, add this CSS code in the inline text area to style the region and its components. Add a text field page item named P50 product ID under the products catalog region. This page item will be used to control the module. Create a process under pre-rendering before header node. The process creates an Apex collection named Shop Cart to hold products information that you add to the shopping cart. Under the Processing tab, create an AJAX Callback process. The process will add selected products as members to the shop cart collection. Add an interactive report region to the page and set its attributes. The report will display user-selected products from the shop cart AJAX collection. When you add a product multiple times to the shopping cart, a new row is generated in the AJAX collection. The group by clause in the select statement is used to consolidate quantity and amount figures of such product. Using shared components static application files, upload delete.png image file provided in the code. The image will be displayed in an interactive report column to remove products from the shopping cart. Expand the columns node under the shopping cart interactive report. Set the following attributes for the remove column to transform it into a link. The link will show the delete icon. When you click the link, the value of the P50 product ID page item is set to the selected product's ID, and a remove request is sent along with the product ID to a process named remove product from cart, which is defined next. Create another process under pre-rendering before header. This process will remove the selected product from the collection. Next, create a dynamic action that will be fired when you release mouse button over the shopping cart, interactive report, to call the drop_handle JavaScript function. Add a button to the shopping cart region. The button, when clicked, will clear the shop cart collection through a process defined next. Finally, create a process under the Processing tab. This process will clear the shop cart AJAX collection. Note that we're not using any plugin in this module. Standard HTML5 drag and drop features are used here to accomplish the task. Click the root node of the page, and enter some functions in function and global variable declaration text area. The link for the code is provided in the description of this video. To make an element draggable, you set the draggable attribute to true in the SQL Dynamic Content earlier. After making an element draggable, you specify what should happen when the element is dragged. In the current scenario, the onDragStart attribute calls a function named dragHandle that specifies what data is to be dragged. The method named setData sets the data type and the value of the dragged data. When the dragged data is dropped, a drop event occurs. In this example, the onDrop attribute calls a function drop_handle, which performs two tasks. Number 1, calls preventDefault, to prevent the browser default handling of the data. Number 2, gets the dragged data with the data method transfer.getData. This method will return any data that was set to the same type in the method named setData. We used $x_AJAX JavaScript API function to set values of P50 product ID page item. We also used AJAX server process function, which calls the add to cart PLSQL on-demand process we created earlier. The drag and drop solution works fine only when you are working on a wide screen, but what if you want to run it on smaller screens? For example, if you run it on your smartphone and try to drag the first product to the shopping cart, which is inundated at the bottom of your screen, you can't. The final function is added to cope with this scenario. It drops a product to the cart when you just click its image. As you click the image, two things happen on your screen. First, the product ID page item is refreshed with the ID of the clicked product, and secondly, the shopping cart gets refreshed to show the selected product. Now you can use both functionalities to add products to the shopping cart. Save and run the page. Drag a product picture from the products catalog and drop it on the shopping cart interactive report. If you drop the same item again, its quantity and value are summed up. Alternatively, just click the image of a product and it will be added to the cart. Clicking the delete icon in the remove column removes the product from the shopping cart. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned the technique to use drag and drop and click and drop in Oracle AJAX. Please subscribe to Tech Mining to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching.